Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Mallett and welcome to my latest Pluralsight course, Extending Salt Open with Plugins. First, just a little bit about me. Now, I'm a Linux trainer and a consultant working with my own company, the Urban Penguin, and we're located in the UK. This course is designed to give you the skills needed to understand the extensible structure of Salt Open from SaltStack, culminating in creating your own plugins. As you progress through this course, you will learn quickly how to identify the different subsystems used in Salt and how they relate to plugins. Soon you will progress to the beacon subsystem, where we can monitor minions and use reactors to mitigate issues that are detected. Finally, you're going to learn to write Python modules by yourself so you can add in your own custom plugins. Some of the major topics that we cover include identifying modules and functions used by Salt, creating beacons to monitor available disk space, and create a Salt plugin to back up and restore your minions. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand and create your own Salt plugins. But before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Linux command line interface and executing commands. With this knowledge already in your arsenal, you're going to be able to gain the most from this course and really extend your DevOps capabilities.